Hi, time for a quick recap. In the last session, we were exposed to the fundamentals of drawings, the concepts and types of drawings. Let's now go over some important geometrical constructions. But first, what is a geometrical construction anyway? Geometrical construction is a process of drawing different shapes and figures and manipulating them with the use of drawing tools. Okay, the study of geometrical construction starts by understanding lines and angles. Lines have different types such as straight lines, parallel lines, and perpendicular lines. Angles also come in various flavors like right angle, an acute angle, and an obtuse angle. In this presentation, we will understand how to divide line, how to draw a perpendicular line, then dividing an angle in n equal parts. Sounds a lot and difficult? Let me tell you, it is not. Alright, now we will take a look at how to divide line into 7 equal parts. First, consider line AB of any length and draw line AC making an angle of less than 30 degrees with AB. With the help of dividers, mark 7 equal parts of any suitable length on line AC and mark them by points 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, and 7 dash. Join point 7 dash with point B of the line AB and draw lines parallel to 7 dash B, cutting the line AB at 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 respectively. Now observe the line AB has been divided into 7 equal parts. It was easy, isn't it? Now let's understand how to draw a perpendicular line to another line AB from a given point P which is not on line AB. Using compass, let's draw an arc of radius say R1 from point P which cuts the line AB at points X and Y. Now taking X and Y as centers and some radius R2, draw arcs cutting each other at point Q above line AB. Let's join points Q and P and extend that line till it cuts line AB. What do you see? Since triangles PXY and QXY are isosceles and their base is common, the line PQ must be perpendicular to line AB. That was also easy, isn't it? Now let's crack something tough. For that, we will divide a right angle CAB in 3 equal parts. Let's take A as center and with an arbitrary radius R, draw an arc to cut the sides AC and AB at points P and Q respectively. Then with P and Q as centers, draw arcs to cut the arc PQ at M and N respectively. Now join AM and extend it till it is long enough. Similarly, join line AN and extend it long enough. Their intersection points with outer arcs are M dash and N dash. So this is how we have created lines AMM dash and ANN dash that divide the angle CAB into 3 equal parts. If you measure them, then they will be 30 degrees each. So friends, in this session we learned how to divide a line in equal parts, how to draw perpendicular line to a line and divide an angle in equal parts.